Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact account that stored the contact and that a valid backup exists. This is the only reliable way. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug the device to power so the process won't interrupt. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts or Backup, and sign in with the same account used originally. Make sure you have your password and two-factor access ready, because the restore will require verification before contacts are available. After signing in, find Backup or Restore and pick the snapshot whose date contains the loss number. That ensures you pull the right data. Once selected, follow prompts. If the backup is encrypted, you must enter its password, and if multiple backups exist, choose the most recent correct snapshot. Then enable Contacts Sync and choose Merge if you want to keep local entries. The device will download and apply the contact data. Do not interrupt the connection while syncing. When the restore completes, open your Contacts app and search for the number to confirm it appears. Check which account shows the entry so you know where it lives. Once verified, tidy up duplicates and merge linked contacts. Manually re-enter any missing fields. If the contact does not appear, make sure you use the same account and backup. Toggle Contacts Sync off and on, clear the Contacts app cache, then retry the restore. If still failing, sign out and sign back in, or contact account support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.